How to unfollow someone on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app, and here you will find like this one here. Click on it, and then just click you will find it like that. Follow, and just click this icon here, and then click unfollow. And as you see, now I have unfollowed this account, and that's it. And you can follow him again just by click this one. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.